In this video, you will be learning about matter properties and its changes. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. There are three different states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas.
Solid is a form of matter that has a definite shape and volume. The particles in a solid are tightly packed together. When a solid is heated, it expands. Solids are incompressible and are not definite by their rigidity or hardness.
Liquid is a form of matter that flows. It has constant volume that takes the shape of any container. Particles in liquid are not rigidly held in place and are less closely packed than the particles in a solid. The particles in liquid can move around, which allows it to have the property to flow and take any shape. Volume is constant, incompressible, and expands when they are heated.
Gas is a form of matter that not only flows to conform the shape of a container, but completely fills the entire volume of it. The particles in gas are far apart from each other. Gas refers to the substance that is naturally in the gaseous state at room temperature.
States of matter have physical, chemical, extensive, and intensive properties. Physical properties are the things that can be observed or measured without changing its composition. Chemical properties are the ability to change into one or more different substances. Extensive properties are dependent on the amount of substance present.
Intensive properties are independent of the amount of substance present. Physical change alters a substance without changing its composition. Chemical change involves one or more substances changing into a new substance. Phase change, a transition of matter from one state to another. Mixtures of matter. Mixtures are combinations of two or more pure substances in which each pure substance retains the individual chemical properties. Heterogeneous mixtures. Mixtures that do not blend smoothly, individual substance remains distinct. Homogeneous mixtures are mixtures that have constant composition throughout, often referred to as solutions. There are also ways to separate mixtures through filtration, distillation, crystallization, sublimation, and chromatography. Elements and compounds. An element is a pure substance that cannot be separated into simpler substances by physical or chemical means. Compounds, made up of two or more different elements that are combined chemically. Periodic table organizes the elements into grid of horizontal rows called periods and vertical columns called groups or families. Test questions. 1. How are the particles arranged in a solid, liquid, and gas? 2. What are two physical properties of a solid? 3. How is a periodic table organized?